Center of Excellence at South Florida Orthopaedics has been a new endeavor of ours. We want to make sure that we're able to satisfy the needs of the community for high-quality hand upper extremity care.
We actually have the largest group of hand surgeons in the area.
All of our orthopedic surgeons at South Florida Orthopaedics are board certified if they've been out for more than 2 years, or they're board eligible if they just recently graduated and finished their fellowship.
And so what that means for us is that we're able to see patients a little bit more quickly. You won't have to wait for an open slot. We can usually get you in on the same day. What that also means is that you have 3 hand surgeons that trained at different places, and we each took from different areas that we trained in different components that'll better serve the population.
Most orthopedic practices have a hand surgeon that is responsible for the majority of all of that care. It's hard to get in for appointments. It's difficult to know, are those techniques the newest? Are these the best approaches?
We communicate with each other, and we're able to sort of determine what would be the best hand surgeon for you to see.
I think that for patients that are working, not wasting their time and having them go to multiple spots is really the game changer in how business should be done in the 21st century. We've been here for a long time, and we are tried and true, and we have been a trusted provider of musculoskeletal care for over 25 years in this area.
When there's a tough orthopedic hand problem, we want to be the center that can address the problem and get it better.